Linux using a bootable USB stick that I have here, SDB, and I also have internal hard drive, SCA, which is used as a Linux folder, save folder. So save folder in Puppy Linux does not get loaded into RAM, so it is important to have the save folder hard drive if you have one. So under SAV partition, I have another save folder, and this is where I have all the Puppy Linux save folders. And then this is the Puppy Linux bootable disk. So right now I've booted into Bionic Pup32. I can also boot into 64-bit Puppy Linux. This is all legacy BIOS, by the way. This is not UEFI. So, and then I also have a menu list, a grub file that we'll be working with later. So that's where all the USB stick contains. It does not contain a Puppy Linux save folder again. So given that background, let's go ahead and take a look. So now what we'll do is we'll add focalpup32 to this bootable USB stick. So the first thing what we have to do is we're gonna make a FP32 directory. So here we're gonna open up the directory of USB stick, and then here we'll just go ahead and use the terminal make directory FP32. So now we have this here, and then we're gonna get into it. So we have a USB stick with that, and we need to insert several files. So I've already downloaded focalpup32 in my download folder. So all we need to do is left click to mount it and then open. And then what we want to do is copy the files into USB. What you want to do is copy all the SFS files. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 SFS files. In addition, I will go ahead and copy vmlinuz and then initrd, and then we will just go ahead and grab it, and then left mouse down, click, and then down, and then we're going to paste it. So we're going to copy it here. So that's how easy it is to go ahead and add another Puppy ISO to a USB. And usually if there is a ucode.cpio, which there isn't, I also copy that in there too. But this is a focalpup32 does not have a ucode.cpio. And then now what we'll have to do is we'll have to create a there's a little okay, so we're going to go ahead and there's a little unusual bug here, so we'll just go ahead and close. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to program grub for DOS. So I'm gonna application launcher, in my case, grub for DOS, bootloader configuration. So we'll just go ahead and open that up. Now in your case, or you may want to just F12 will bring up the same, and then go to setup and grub for DOS. So now, once the graphic DOS is open, what you want to specify is we only want the Puppy Linux from here, from this stick. So this is the stick, SDB. Only search within this device. We don't want Puppy that may be installed in other hard drive or partitions. So also we want to just legacy compatible menu list and OK. And then just for it identify several Puppy Linux. So just for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to change it to BP32. And then next one is BW NKB. This is 64-bit bookworm, and we're just going to change that to CE. I'm just tapping to go to the next entry. So this is what we just installed. And then after that's all done, what we want to do is just go to OK and then confirm. And now it's going to write the menu list. And apparently it's already had. So we're just going to edit the menu list. So here's a menu list. And let me just go ahead and enlarge that a little bit. So here is a menu list. Here is a BP Bionic Pup, which is what we booted into. So what we need to do at this point is we need to specify where the save partition is, where we want the save partition, a puppy save folder in this SAV partition within the save folder. So what we need to do is insert a psave equals capital SAV colon, that's the name of the partition, and then within it we want to have it in save, and we want to do this with each Puppy Linux, obviously. So gonna paste here again. So I pasted too much. So we just want to paste this here. So copy, and then we want to insert it right after pfix, and paste again, and then here similarly paste again, and then we want to just make sure all the spacing is right. So after that's done, we're going to just go ahead and save. Now essentially all the steps have been completed now. All we need to do is reboot using the USB bootable stick and choose the focalpup32.